Ask them folks. If your coupon ain't working, don't walk out of there paying $5 because you ain't say nothing. Happy Vlogmas Day, whatever it is, because y'all know it's been hard for me to keep up with the days. I'm trying to get some good lighting. Then I got another lens on here too. I don't know the difference yet. I can't really tell I don't know. But y'all know I don't know what day we're in vlogging. I'm actually about to get ready to go to the gym. About to show y'all what I have on. I have on this green zip up from Amazon, leggings from Old Navy, and then just my aloe headband. I don't know what I'm about to, as far as like shoes, I don't know what I'm about to put on. Because it's cold outside, so I'm wearing my puffer jacket. I had did a detox tea last night, and my stomach feels flatter. Like, it feels like it's, like, a little bit flatter. Like, it's just going down. We're going to get rid of this belly and these rolls. One workout at a time. We get in there. We're going to get there. The goal is to lose this weight before the summertime. Because, baby, this summer, I want to be outside. I want to be outside. So I'm about to leave, go to the gym. After we leave the gym, we're gonna go pick up my James Avery bracelet, and then I need to go like to Target to get some stuff because I'm cooking shrimp burgers tonight. So that's what we're doing. So I just wanted to come in and open the vlog up because I did go to work today. Wasn't nothing going on at work. I didn't do anything special at work or after work. I just came straight home to get ready to go to the gym. Now, y'all, these shoes dusty. But do these, I don't really know if I can't remember if they hurt my feet when I run in them. Okay, y'all, so we about to get to the gym. And let me go put a scent on first before I put my shoes on. Okay, y'all, so I do like to wear a scent when I'm going to the gym. More like a clean scent. Is this the one? Okay, yeah, this is Bow. And this is the Espiritu Bow. It's just small. I actually bought this in a set. It's crazy that we buying stuff like this in a set. Because I feel like this should be given away, but go off. This is just like real clean, real fresh smelling. And I'll just put some lotion on because I don't have my let's put some lotion on. Yeah, I actually want to get rid of this bag so bad. I want to get rid of it. Because I'm going to tell you this. It is not a functional bag, like, to go to the airport in. I've carried it several times. Maybe I be doing the most because I be feeling mine up to the top. I use it as a carry-on. Do you hear me? And so I have a Louis Vuitton strap. And y'all, I was walking. The thing broke. I was irritated, like the hardware, because it's one of the older. Come on, y'all. Let's go to your cage. Now I done put the lotion on. Now I can't get the top off. This is too much. It's an announcement to my dark-skinned people. I can say this because I'm dark-skinned. Let's make sure we stay oiled up all 2024 winter long. 2024, 2025 winter long. Let's make sure we do that. Let's make sure we do that. I'm talking to myself too because we get out there and we think, oh, we just need to get a little bit of lotion. No, we need to have it in our cars. We need to have it in, let me take my purse. We need to have it in our purse. We need to have it in our offices. We need to have it everywhere. Now we're not talking. I'm sitting up here talking. At all times, we gotta have it everywhere. We have to. We have to. Okay, y'all, we fixing to head to the gym. I'm gonna get some gas tonight because if I don't get it in the morning, I'm gonna be like, dang, I gotta get some gas, and then it's gonna cause me to be late, which we do not need. Okay. All right, y'all. So I am about to head to the gym. I'm only holding this camera right now because I'm in my neighborhood. And I will talk to y'all after I leave the gym. Okay, y'all, I picked up my bracelet. Let me show y'all. Come on now. Like, don't be acting up. Okay, y'all see? I'll have to show y'all when I get to the house, but I got it all. Can't tell me nothing. With the Mississippi tag. Mississippi tag. Yeah. Okay. Alright, y'all. We going to Kroger. Because I just thought about it. I'm going to get gas over at Kroger. So we're going to go to Kroger and get this stuff so I can cook. And then... Here, it's my favorite dip. I'm going to give me one of these. I didn't get nobody's boogie. Let me see. I need some bananas because I've been getting cramps when I go in the gym. I should have got a boogie. Let me see. Okay, y'all. So I'm trying to get bread, and I saw this. I think I'm gonna get these. Yeah, I need some lettuce. Oh, here it is right here. I should have got this. See, this is what I do. I think I take a challenge every time I come in here. So, these are chips I usually get to go with my dip. These are the only ones I eat in tortilla chips anymore. Okay, y'all, so we headed home. I had, my order went from like $26 to $19 after I clipped my coupons. So, and y'all don't be ashamed to call them folks over there if something ain't working. Do not be ashamed to do that. This their job. I remember when I be on the phone, my mom, she was like, why you got that phone? I'm like, baby, this is their job. When I was working at Kroger and Walmart and everything else, them folks have no problem messing with you. Asking you questions that you don't know the answer to. So, baby, ask them folks. If your coupon ain't working, don't walk out of there paying $5 because you didn't say nothing. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all my meal that I cook when I get home. And I'll let y'all know how that go. Okay, y'all, so this is the meal. The patty is so small on this thing. And these are real, like, you can tell these are real sweet potato fries because the way they break up when they heat it up. So, I'm about to eat. And then I'm going to edit. So, I think I'm about to end it here. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Come join the girl gang. You know, we always got a lot going on over here. And we want y'all we bring y'all along. Right, y'all, I'm so hungry. So, I will see y'all at the next vlog. Bye.